In this recording on our series of face milling operations, we'll be talking about the technology called hatch. Hatch is the technology that goes from one side with step overs as defined to the other side. Now let's take a look exactly what we have here. First, we have the option of overlap. It says right now minimum overlap. Minimum overlap is if we have what we call as the default equal step over, where we give it a step over and it sees automatically how much to do the overlap, not going below of the 30% of the tool tip diameter. If I do this without the equal step over, it's exactly 30%. Next, we have the cutting depth type. We have one way or zigzag. One way, if you have several step downs as we go towards the actual target itself, it'll go down, finish at this end, then go back to the beginning, and then do the next step. If I have zigzag, it will go down, finish to the end, and then instead of going back, it goes down here and then returns in the diverse direction until it gets back here. And if there's another step down, it'll go further down as well. That's what depth cutting type is. We also have, and this is true with every one of our technology options, we have floor offset. If you want to do a rough cut and leave a certain amount of material before you do a finish cut, you can put in an amount that you want to leave at the bottom of the floor, say 0.1 millimeters. And if you also want to do a finish, you can add the option of finish. And it'll do the 0.1 and then do the finish. The finish will be working at the feed and spin rate that's defined in the tool spin and feed rate for finish. We also have one more option here called floor finish only. If I would do floor finish only, it will only do the floor finish. It won't do anything else. It will not do a floor offset. It will just go directly to floor finish. In our next recording in this series, we'll continue with hatch, going into all the different options within hatch itself.